In business communication, it is important not only to say what you want, but also how you say it. Requests that are too direct can sound rude, even when that is not the intention. A simple phrase such as "open the window" may be clear, but in many workplaces it can feel too strong. Using polite expressions such as, "Could you open the window, please?" or "Would you mind opening the window?" makes the request sound softer and more professional. Polite requests are used in many workplace situations, including asking a colleague for help, requesting information from another department, or communicating with clients. These expressions allow people to ask for what they need while still showing respect. When requests are phrased politely, others may feel more willing to cooperate rather than feeling ordered or pressured. In the workplace, politeness plays an important role in how messages are received. Different cultures may prefer different levels of directness, but polite requests are generally effective across settings. Using polite request language helps build cooperation, maintain positive relationships, and create a more respectful work environment.